Benefits of TQM. According to a survey of manufacturing firms in Georgia, the benefits of TQM are improved quality, employee participation, teamwork, working relationships, customer satisfaction, employee satisfaction, productivity, communication, profitability, and market share. TQM is a good investment as shown by a 10-year study of Hendricks and Singhai. They showed that there is a strong link between TQM and financial performance. The researchers selected a group of 600 publicly traded organizations that had won awards for effectively implementing TQM. They then selected a control group similar in size and industry to the award winners. Performance of both groups was compared during the 5 years prior to the award and 5 years after winning the award. No difference was shown between the two groups prior to the award. However, as shown below, the award group far outstripped the control group during the 5-year period after the award. Description: Control award. Growth in operating income 43%, 91%, increase in sales 32%, 69%, increase in total assets 37%, 79%. The study also showed that stock price performance for the award winners are 114%, while the S&P was 80%. In addition, the study showed that small organizations outperformed larger organizations. Recent studies have shown that only 30% of manufacturing organizations have successfully implemented TQM. TQM exemplary organization employing 99,000 workers at 53 major cities worldwide and based in Schaumburg, Illinois. Motorola is an integrated company that produces an array of electronic products, distributing most through direct sales and service operations. Products include two-way radios and pagers, wireless telephones, semiconductors, and equipment for defense and aerospace applications, data communications, information processing, and automotive and industrial uses. In 1981, Motorola launched an ambitious drive for a tenfold improvement in the quality of its products and services. They succeeded, and now many of its products are the best in their class. The company's quality goal is simply stated: zero defects in everything we do. Motorola's managers literally carry with them the corporate objective of total customer satisfaction. It's on a printed card in their pockets. Corporate officials and business managers wear pagers to make themselves available to customers, and they regularly visit customers' businesses to find out their likes and dislikes about Motorola products and services. The information, along with data gathered through an extensive network of customer surveys, complaint hotlines, field audits, and other customer feedback measures, guides planning for quality improvement, and product development. Pagers supplied to Nippon Telegraph and Telephone is a major share of that market. Key initiatives are Six Sigma quality and reducing total cycle time. Six Sigma is a statistical measure that translates into a target of no more than 3.4 defects per million products and includes customer surveys. Motorola's cycle time reduction is even more ambitious. The clock starts ticking the moment the product is conceived. This calls for an examination of the total system, including design, manufacturing, marketing, and administration. Employees contribute directly through Motorola's Participative Management Program (PMP), which is composed of employees who work in the same area or are assigned to achieve a specific aim. PMP teams meet often to assess progress toward meeting quality goals, identifying new initiatives, and work on problems. To reward high quality work, savings that stem from team recommendations are shared. PMP bonuses over the Past 4 years have averaged about 3% of Motorola's payroll. About 40% of worker training is devoted to quality matters, ranging from general principles of quality improvement to designing for manufacturability.